Hello everyone, just getting started on a little project. I'm going to do an outdoor shower here. There's going to be several phases to it. Today we're going to just be building the framing, the deck portion, 6 feet by 6 feet. I am going to use 2 by 6s. I'm going to use 2 foot center. It's only going to need 2 floor joists, and then we'll use 2 by 6 for the deck boards as well on top. Remember to always use galvanized or stainless steel fasteners when using treated wood, because of the copper inside. It will eat your nails and things away, but we're going to get started right away and we'll keep you posted as we go. All right, working on getting framing done, making some progress. Okay, framing and the decking is done. Little tip, I knew I was close on these. Your spacing doesn't have to be exactly the same, but I knew I needed about 13 boards to complete this, plus spaces, so I laid them all out first and before nailing, and then fastened them all down using galvanized fasteners. But there you go. When all this dries out, I'll put a nice sealer on it, but we'll have sidewalls and some railing, those kind of things up, and a nice shower up there for outside. We'll fill you in on the rest of it later. This was all plumbed in 3/4 inch CPVC, so I've reduced it down to 1/2 inch coming into the box. I was hoping I'd have a little better water pressure, just bottlenecking right at the valve. We'll put it all together and see what it looks like. Okay, this valve body is roughed in right now. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna plug the place where the handheld hooks in and the rain head goes in, and then we're going to test and make sure we don't have any leaks, and we'll go from there. Okay, I've got my wall panels up. I've got everything's roughed in, and I'm ready to add the fixtures and plates and things like that. We'll go ahead and get that going. Okay, the outdoor shower is complete. I will be putting walls around this and a little bench, but it works. I just tested it out, so everything is great. Wonderful power, water power, or water pressure. I was concerned about this valve only being the shower head or the wand, but you can just turn it halfway and get both, so it's kind of nice if you got a partner out here. Got my outdoor shower finished up. Actually, I still am going to put some gravel around the bottom here and provide a little French drain underneath. Got that kind of set up already. This little foldable bench is just make do right now, but I'm building a little bench that will be built in right there, and I'll build a little chase. I've got the materials for already, a little box that will enclose the plumbing that came out here, but turned out real nice.